6.2 million pounds, and it generated 7.5 million pounds of thrust. Now, guys, how many of you took a NASA transport and saw this rocket up close? Anybody? A lot of people? Great. Well, the 75 days of holding that record of the world's largest, most powerful rocket, you can say that there are numbers. Because I would like you to meet our next generation of launch vehicles that's supposed to be powerful and even larger than Saturn V. We're calling it the Space Launch System. This vehicle, or vehicles, will stand at 400 feet and generate 9.2 million pounds of thrust. Even more amazing, more powerful than Saturn V. You can see we have two vehicles, one for the cargo, one for the crew, and the astronauts that will be flying these capsules, or the astronauts that will fly these vehicles, will ride in this capsule, Orion. Now this is also being called the MPCV, the Multi-Purpose Crew Vehicle. Now, who will be flying this particular capsule? Well, exactly, yeah. Mom and Dad is going to be your son. It's going to be your daughter. It's going to be your grandchildren that will be flying this particular capsule. But if you're flying this capsule, guess what? You're not going to the station. You're going here, Mars. Now guys, a manned mission to Mars, it's not easy. Not a walk in the park. It's going to be very challenging, very demanding, very, very difficult. Just how do you get to Mars? Well, we're working on that right now. Now let's say that all of us just left our planet and we're on our way over there. It's going to take us 9 months just to get there. 9 months. We'll stay on the surface for about a year, maybe a year and a half, 9 months getting back home. So we're talking a good 2.5 to 3 year flight. But it's not impossible. And I say this because in the audience today, there is astronaut potential. So, Mom and Dad, your son, your daughter, your grandchildren, you're walking on Mars very, very soon. Sometime around the year 2030, maybe 2035 at the latest. So, as you can see, whenever it comes to a manned flight to Mars, it's very exciting. I mean, it's a slow process to get there, but eventually, this dream will become a reality. For more information about NASA, because these are just a couple